Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 2, and today we will be presenting our virtual slaughterhouse system, which is designed as a modern cattle abattoir. At the main gate, a security guard controls access, and all vehicles are disinfected to prevent the spread of disease. Vehicles then proceed to the stockyard where cattle are received. The animals rest in the lairage to reduce stress, which helps maintain meat quality. Next, cattle are moved to the normal slaughter line for processing. Workers enter from the right side, where they disinfect themselves before beginning their tasks. The cattle are then placed into the cattle flipping box for efficient slaughter. Afterward, the carcass is hooked onto the continuous conveyor rail for bleeding, followed by the skinning process. The carcass is then transferred to the evisceration room, where the internal organs are removed. Finally, the meat and organs are inspected in the laboratory to ensure they are safe for human consumption. After laboratory inspection, the edible offal is transferred to the next stage of processing. To maintain hygiene and prevent cross-contamination, the offal is cleaned in specially designated rooms. These rooms are divided into two sections: the red offal cleaning area, which handles organs such as the liver, lungs, and heart, and the white offal cleaning area, which is reserved for parts like the stomach and intestines. Each section is equipped with proper cleaning facilities to ensure the offal is thoroughly washed and sanitized before moving forward. Once cleaned, the offal is placed in the offal chilling room, where it is kept at low temperatures to preserve freshness and ensure food safety until further processing or distribution. Meanwhile, the carcasses proceed to the main chilling room. Here, they are cooled to slow bacterial growth and maintain meat quality before the next stage. After chilling, the carcasses move to the deboning and packing area. Workers carefully remove the meat from the bones, separate it into different cuts, and package it under hygienic conditions to maintain freshness and quality. Packed meat products are then stored in cold storage and freezing rooms until they are dispatched through the product transport section. Proper packaging is essential for extending shelf life and preserving product quality for consumers. Emergency slaughter situations are managed in a designated area designed to handle urgent cases efficiently while maintaining strict hygiene and animal welfare standards. This area includes an emergency slaughter hall, a retention room for temporary holding, a condemned room to isolate unfit products, and clean and nettable storage for materials unsuitable for human consumption but requiring safe handling. Condemned products and waste materials are securely disposed of in the burial ground located away from production zones. This prevents contamination and helps maintain high hygiene standards throughout the facility. Environmental hygiene and waste management are maintained through the use of an incinerator for safe waste disposal, a blood decanter to process blood byproducts, and a wastewater treatment plant that treats all effluents before discharge to protect the surrounding environment. Finally, the abattoir provides supporting facilities for staff. These include a dedicated staff area with lockers, allowing workers to securely store personal belongings during shifts. Separate toilet facilities for male and female employees are available and regularly maintained to ensure cleanliness and privacy. Adjacent to these is a staff canteen, where workers can rest, enjoy their meals, and take breaks in a clean and comfortable environment. The canteen is equipped to provide nutritious food, promoting well-being, morale, and productivity among employees. That concludes our presentation on the virtual cattle abattoir system. Thank you for your attention.